Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock, Temu Tuesday. Okay, we have a USB cable, very handy. Okay, now these bad boys, you can have a look, have a guess at what that is. Don't read the label because that's cheating. Oh, okay. Four terminals and a knob. 4 terminals and knob and a little tiny circuit board. That goes on there like that, and it turns like that, all the way there, all the way there. Oh, it's even got a little tick on and off bit, and it reads power plus, power negative, and then output plus and output negative. Any ideas? Oh, that's right, I've got 4 of them. Yeah.
I believe it is a speed regulator.
Yeah, you're right. But I'm going to use them for LED lights. And look at these things. Bum picks. Everything you need and more. $5 from Temu. Long handles, good for scratching, good for marking, good for prodding, good for retainers, good for picking out things, good for everything. Got a long set and a short set. Can't get enough of them. They're cool. You can also bend them up and use them for picks to pull back mortise locks and stuff like that.
Really?
Yep. You put them in there, you lift one, you pull this, you can do all sorts of stuff with them. Go away. Alright, this thing, you're not going to guess what this is. At 2 o'clock on a Tuesday night, with a couple of beers, all this stuff makes sense. Okay. Alright. What is that?
Show me.
Just for the camera. What is that?
Decapitation device for a mouse.
Nah.
Beheading device.
Nah.
Come on.
You give up? It's alright to give up, you know.
Is it here to pin down and mark it?
Nah.
Oh,
Right, pass it back, I'll show you.
nice calling that one.
I'll show you. It is a cable tie device.
Hi.
Like that. It holds them. Isn't that cool? Then you hang that on your belt. And you want a cable tie, you pull. Pull.
Alright, see ya.
So that's what it's used for.
What's it?
You know how you've got cable ties going everywhere? And they always get lost? You clip them in like that, clip them on your toolbox or on your belt, so when you're working, you can just pull one out and they're not going everywhere.
Show you what a rubber band looks like.
Rubber band, no, because it's not continually tightening. This has 2 springs on either side, a nice rubber lip here, spring loaded, right? And it comes with a keychain and a quick belt clip like that. That beats your rubber band. $3.99 on Temu. Can't beat it. What do you think? Is that a pass? I think that's a pass.
Ask the viewers.
Well, I'm sure we're going to hear their comments. But when you get down to a few, yeah, no, it's still effective. And it's got a rubber bush in there. It's got a rubber bush in there to make sure they're not moving anywhere. I think that's okay.
Do LF43Rs have a 4th, or are they just 1, 2, and 3? Okay, it's 1, 2, and 3. At least I remember the 3-digit code.
Yeah. Okay, and that's just USB. You always need more USBs. That's all I've got for Temu Tuesday. Thanks for watching.